The Material World 10. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2886, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, criticized the slaves of wealth and fine clothing. These people are pleased when they receive these things, and become displeased when they do not. In reality, this applies to all non-essential worldly things. This criticism is not directed at those who strive in the material world in order to fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents, as this is a part of obeying Allah, the Exalted. But it is directed at those who either pursue the unlawful in order to obtain wealth, and pursue lawful yet unnecessary worldly things, in order to satisfy their desires and the desires of others. This behavior prevents them from obeying Allah, the Exalted, correctly. This obedience involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This prevents them from using the worldly blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This leads to stress and difficulties in both worlds. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
In addition, this criticism is for those who are impatient when they do not obtain their unnecessary desires in this world. This attitude can cause a Muslim to obey Allah, the Exalted, on the edge. Meaning they obey Him when they obtain their desires, but when they do not, they angrily turn away from His obedience. The Holy Quran has warned of a severe loss in both worlds for the one who adopts this attitude. Chapter 22 Al-Hajj, verse 11.
And of the people is he who worships Allah on an edge. If he is touched by good he is reassured by it, but if he is struck by trial he turns on his face. He has lost this world and the hereafter. That is what is the manifest loss.
Muslims should instead learn to be patient and content with what they possess, as this is true richness, according to a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2420. In reality, the person full of desires is needy, meaning poor, even if they possess much wealth. Whereas the satisfied person is not greedy, meaning needy, and this makes them rich, even if they possess little of this world. A Muslim should know that Allah, the Exalted, grants people what is best for them and not according to their desires, as this, in most cases, would lead to their destruction. Chapter 42 Ash-Shura, verse 27.
And if Allah had extended excessively provision for His servants, they would have committed tyranny throughout the earth. But He sends it down in an amount which He wills. Indeed He is of His servants aware and seeing.